At the start of the year, it's really exciting seeing the students coming in to begin kindergarten. On the first day, a lot of them have been really anticipating and looking forward to this moment. Seeing them walk through the door and realising that here now is a really big important stage of their life.
When she came home from her first day of kinder, Emily was super excited that she got to make some new friends. She was excited about what she would get to learn, and she actually requested to attend 5 days a week instead of 3.
They teach kids the Word of God and how you should deal. They're not like here just to come learn ABC, maths, and there is something extra which is really nice. That's what kids need now, nowadays.
What I appreciate most about the environment at Northern Christian School is the big open outdoor space, so kids are able to run around and burn off some energy, and I also really love that they've got the bush program so the kids can go out and explore nature. That's really great as well.
We keep encouraging even our friends outside, like we tell them, if you're really looking for a safe place with a community with some align with your values, like I think Northern Christian School will be like the best place for them. So I encourage every parents to come and enroll their kids here. Yeah.